we're doing a girly maintenance vlog, week in my life, and we're gonna start off with my nails. So let's go get my nails done. Hi guys, I forgot to update you on my nails, but this is what they look like. They're super super cute, girly vibes. My nail took 8 down. So I have a hair appointment in like a week and a half, and that's gonna be part of this vlog too. I'm thinking about dyeing my hair. So I normally do a balayage. I don't know if you guys could see, like, this part of my hair is kind of like lighter than my roots, but my whole hair looks kind of just brown. I'm thinking for my hair I'll probably dye it just a solid brown color, because I kind of been liking the dark hair lately, but it's also summer, so I kind of want a little bit light to go a little bit lighter. I'll try to insert a clip of my hair when it was like more balayage. We're gonna do that. I do need to self tan, and I was thinking of getting more lip filler, and if I do, that'll be in this vlog. But I'm actually on my way to go to work right now. I'm getting ready right now to go to work, and I think I'm gonna pull an all-nighter because I have a flight in the morning. I'm going back to Washington for Mother's Day, and also to do my 2-week post-op on my nose. I'll just update you guys here. Like, this is what she's looking like. So obviously there's still some swelling. I do contour it still. She's super cute. I feel like I look exactly the same from the front as I used to, with like, that was my goal. She's obviously still swollen. I love her, she's so cute. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna go to work right now. I'll take you guys with me to my hair appointments because this is a maintenance vlog. And yeah, I'm on my way to my hair appointment. This is today's outfit, just like these little sweats. Yeah, I'm kind of running late, but I'm just gonna take you guys with me. I got a few hours of sleep, and then I'm gonna tan today also, and I'll show you guys like my self-tan routine. So yeah, let's go.
Teach me, baby. Call my phone and say you need me, baby. I'm so green, gotta teach me, baby. From Vancouver, you a BC, baby. Pull up, play back, beep, beep, baby. And my shit came with the ECs, baby. Swear my label gotta free me, baby. Blow on me just like some green tea.
Hi guys, I just got home from getting my hair done. Very subtle, but like still, like, it makes a big difference, and it's super pretty. I absolutely love it. I'm about to show you guys my tan routine in a second, but this was my hair. She costed $300. It was for a haircut, blowout, color. This is brown without bleach. And yeah, she's super tea. I'm obsessed. Hi friends, I'm editing, so I wanted to do a little voiceover tutorial about how I do my self-tan. This is me using the Bonsai Sands Self-Tan 1 Hour Express. I'll insert a picture, and I literally just do it all over my body, do it for an hour, rinse it off. And when I say rinse, I actually mean wash, because I hate the smell of self-tanners, so I actually wash it off with like soap and water. And it'll last like a week. But lately I've actually found this B-Tan clear tanning gel that I really like. So that's my new thing I'm using. I'll insert a picture here. And it doesn't have a smell, which I love, and it has no transfer too. So yeah, that's my little self-tan routine. We're going to a pool party. I can't decide what to wear, so I'm wearing this blue bikini with these like crochet shorts, and we will be cleaning my room. Just ignore it right now. And with this like headscarf, I feel like the headscarf is giving summer vibes, but I don't want to just not wear a shirt. So what shirt should I do? I'm thinking either this green one, this hidden cold one, blue one. I can't decide. So what do we think? Okay, this is what we decided. I'm loving the red hair. I mean, red hair. Brown hair. We're going to the pool party. Oh, this is SJ's outfit. Yeah. Our goal is to not get too drunk. Yeah. We'll let you guys know how we do. This is my vlog. Hello. We took how many shots, right? Should like 7. 100 million. 2 shots, y'all. And we made it to work. And we didn't do too much. There's tacos, so we're about to eat our tacos. And we're about to be locked in for work. So. Part of my maintenance routine, we're continuing the vlog. The maintenance vlog. It's low-key a week later. I've kind of been doing the maintenance all within the month. It's Thursday and I don't have to work tonight. So I was gonna show you guys how I do my lash clusters. 6 weeks post-op. So this is what my nose is looking like. I use the Fairy Lash Clusters by Kiyu. They look like this. And then we're also going to attempt a blowout for tomorrow, for work tomorrow.
How much better can I show my love for you? Can I show my love for you? I do for you. I do. Can I show my love for you? I do. You may not know right where.
Also, let's do a quick skincare routine because why not? So I've been using the Rhode glazing milk. If you guys saw in my last video, I actually really like it. And then I'll use the Good Molecules daily moisturizer. I don't know, love it. It's so lightweight, and I hate like moisturizer that is heavy and like sticky. My wake up gel from Good Molecules, and I just put this under my eyes with this index finger. This is kind of like maintenance and days of my life. It is Friday. We're going to work today and I'm going to attempt my own blowout. I just got a thermal round brush, so we're gonna try this. I've seen the girls use this on TikTok, so that's what we're gonna try. So we have work tonight. If this blowout situation doesn't work out, then I think I'm going to do just like straight hair with the ends flipped out. The heat protectant I use, it's from the beauty supply. And I've seen a couple videos, but I mean, we're just gonna go for it.
And that's what you came to see. Let me be your muse. I'll inspire you in ways you won't believe. 50 shades and hues, tailor-made for you. Draw me in, get what you started. Go with your hands, can you paint my body? Go ahead and push up on me. Baby, when you want it, sign it, got it. I'll be your peace. I'll be your peace. I'll be your peace.
Okay, y'all, this is what we're looking like. I feel like the left is really pretty. The right, maybe not as much. But it's so cute. I need to fix like this piece right here. This piece? Yeah. I'll fix this piece. Okay, she's kind of eating. Kinda. What do you think? I wonder if we like it better and not a side part. But this is cute. And here's the down. Okay, I think this is how we're gonna do it for today. And yeah. Quick makeup tutorial with me. I'm also filming for TikTok, so we're gonna do a little dual action. Oh my gosh, Girly.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't have a loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the who's? Still running around with more, get ready, pack the go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Share the stage, Billy got it, turning it and giving time. Personal partners, pillow talking, cause I got rich without them. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as you used to be, this shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick the vibe. I be knowing the rundown, I'm doubting, so I can't speak about it. She know I'm a gangster, she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I come true. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of trying, I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, only time I get some Z's. Full cook press, put on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this shaking, ain't nowhere near easy. Had to find it, hope I'm not too much to handle. City nigga from Atlanta, I spend my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play though. Brought it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the drive, but he stay good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here trying to steal. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here trying to steal. I need equity to sign a deal. Over buying cars.
Okay guys, we finished my makeup. I have to leave to work right now, but this is the makeup and this is the hair. What do we think? So anyways, I'm gonna change real quick and we're gonna go to work, so let's go. Hi guys, we're at work tonight. My only day at work this weekend. I'm hoping for a busy ass Friday, and yeah. But we don't have an artist or anything, so we'll see how it goes. And this is the outfit. Hi guys, we're on my way to get my lips done. This will be the last part of our maintenance vlog. So I woke up at like 12:30 and it's 10 p.m. Y'all know how you wake up in the morning and your lips are kind of swollen? That's how I feel like my lips are still. I'm only getting half a syringe, and my injector is like really good about telling me no if I, how much I should get instead. I haven't got filler in a year, and my birthday's in a month, so I just felt like I needed to do something. And also I just been doing stuff, like I just been getting stuff done, and yeah, so I'm gonna take it out with me, and then we'll end our maintenance vlog. But yeah. Hey guys, we're dissolving today. No filler. We're just dissolving the top though, because not the top, but like the migration above the top lip. We'll be back in 2 weeks. Hey guys, I just left. And I just left, and we only did dissolving. You guys saw I had a little bit of migration. It's probably a good thing I didn't. She would have let me if I really wanted to get filler over it, but she said like once we migrate like this part up here that they might look kind of more like fuller because it'll look more lifted without like the migration. But we rescheduled for 3 weeks, so I'm going to come back in 3 weeks and get my half syringe, and I feel like that'll look good. And then when it comes to like the maintenance vlog, we're just gonna end the maintenance vlog here. I think I did mostly everything. I need to get my nails done again. Like that's how long I've been recording for this maintenance vlog. It's been like a month, me doing all these, like my hair, my nails, my lips, and my my clusters and everything, and my like self tanning and stuff. But yeah, so we're gonna end the maintenance vlog here. I'll probably be vlogging my like lip filler in another vlog, like a bottle girl vlog or like a week in my life or something. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in for my maintenance. I'll put the total of everything I spent right here. But my injector literally didn't charge me to dissolve, but I tipped her $100. And then what else did I do? My hair was $300. My nails were like $100. And obviously clusters, my clusters I get are like $10 from Amazon. I'll link that below, and I'll link my tanning stuff below. My self tanner is like $30, so we'll put my self maintenance right here for the month. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more vlogs and to see more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.